Hey, it's Rich from Dream Builders back at you with another simple project. As you can see, the other two here hanging on the wall. We did the saw, we've got the router, and today we've got another one for you. We make a lot of metal brackets in our line of work, and it's easier if we just cut it out ourselves instead of having somebody CNC it or whatever, so they're pretty simple brackets. But to do that, we have a couple different cutoff wheels, handheld grinders, things like that. And so the station we're going to build today is going to be unique to two of them. That's right, we're going to house two of them with their little tools, with their wheels and everything. This one's going to be a little more in depth, but still a simple project. So come on over here, let's see what we got going. Alright, so first off, I'm going to put this little top on it up here. So I can hang this here, hang these here, and hang these here. And then if I come up, bring that over just a little bit towards the center, I can cut a groove in here to hang that. So that's going to be the first thing I'm going to do. Is come in here and mark about how wide that is. Alright, through there. Alright, through here. Look down, make sure I can see. Which I can. I can see my lead marks on each side. Then find out how deep we want the handle to go. And we'll make that work. And then that will be our cut on our scroll saw. Accessories are going to be mounted. We're going to drill a hole at a slight angle to mount our Allen wrench for this one, right next to the tool, also for that. I left some room here too. I want to see if I can't also hang the grinding disc right below this. If I can keep all this stuff in one spot, that would be just awesome. So let's get started now. We're going to move down on this. So this will be about here. And what we're going to do is we're going to basically use this technique around both guards for both of these. And so that's where this piece of plywood is going to come. This is where it's going to get a little more difficult, so I'm going to move this stuff. Take a measurement there, and then I'm going to measure in about how far I want to go from here to here to here for the first one. These will be cutout points. This will be a cutout point, and that will be a cutout point. This is solid. This is solid. This is solid. Basically, the end of that plywood will look like that. Go in. About an inch. I would actually say a little farther. Why not? Then I'm going to just kind of curve that a little bit. So next, now that we know this will fit, and this will fit, and then we'll go down here, and then we're going to have this little piece here. Just going to go back here like so. But there's one more thing we need to do to this piece right here. That is, we need to take it over the top table saw and put just a tiny angle on it, because this thing is going to be hanging on a wall, so we want to put just a little bit of an angle on it. Forgot to test fit this. Oh, that is a little tight still. Like I said, it's easier to take stuff off than it is to put on. So we'll cut this out a little bit wider, and then we're going to come in and we're going to angle the back side of this so it angles it upward just ever so slightly. Doesn't have to be anything major.